Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for joining me once again. If you are subscribed to this channel, thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate you guys. Now today I'm working on some wall sconces, but I'm not going to put any lights in them. I am just going to put some hurricanes. And I purchased these hurricanes from Hobby Lobby. I got this idea from Budget Friendly Creations. This is what I'm going to be working on today. Let's get started. To complete this, I am taking some wallpaper and I'm going to put it around the center, and then I've got some strips of diamond wrap that I spray painted green, and I'm going to put it around the top and the bottom of it. I measured the distance on my hurricane, and I want the wallpaper to be right in the center. So I'm leaving 3 inches at the bottom and at the top. I'm taking some Fix All adhesive, and I'm just going to put just a little bit on where I'm going to put the edge of the wallpaper. And I bought this nice little spreader tool from Temu. And I'm putting just a little bit more Fix All adhesive on this end. Now that we have the wallpaper on, and we're going to put the rhinestone wrap around here. This is how this is looking. I'm going to do the other 4 off camera, and I'll come back with the reveal. And that is how that turned out, guys. That is beautiful. I have one on each side. But I'm going to be a little secretive because I am going to be doing a full apartment tour very shortly, and you will see it on that side then. What you guys think? Plain, greenery, or flowers? Thank you so much for watching. I have another video coming up tomorrow, so please be sure to look out for that one. I have a beautiful Christmas tablescape coming up Tuesday, and that will be my last tablescape of the year. I hope everyone is doing great, and I hope you're being safe out there and having a blessed holiday so far. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go right ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you to join this family. I do a lot of DIYs and home decor videos on here. Well, go ahead and join us. Be blessed, guys.